Welcome back. Let's do question 122. The first four terms of pattern A and pattern B are shown in the table below. This is the table. Hence or otherwise, determine the general formula of the nth term of pattern B. How do we get B? If we say 1 squared, we get 1. If we say 3 squared, we get 9. If we say 5 squared, we get 25. If we say 7 squared, we get what? 49. So we're squaring pattern A to get the terms of pattern B. And then pattern A, we found that for pattern A, Tn is equal to 2n minus 1. That's what we got for pattern A in the previous question right now. So it means for pattern B, Tn is going to be 2n minus 1 squared, because we're squaring what? We are squaring a pattern A to get pattern B.